Hello, my dearest children. Welcome all of you to my class. Today we will start a new chapter from history, and that is chapter 2, the earliest societies. In this chapter, we are going to discuss about the prehistory and humans, nomads and food gatherers, the Stone Age, three periods Paleolithic, Mesolithic, and Neolithic age. Case study about the Deccan. Dear children, you might have observed that we all use many types of metal tools in our daily lives, like spoons and forks to eat, pots and pans to cook, and mechanical tools to repair things. Do you think we always had these tools? What did early man use millions of years ago? So we will get all this answer in this chapter. Okay, so we know that our earth is as old as 4.5 billion years. Plants, animals, and mankind developed much later. It was around 2 million years ago that man appeared on the earth for the first time. The study of fossils indicate that there were ape man. These human beings which resemble apes and monkeys are called anthropoids, meaning man-like animals. Anthropoid took many years to evolve into modern man. In your book, page number 20, the different stages of human development shows this process. So, the most striking feature of the ape man were he could not walk straight. वो straight चल नहीं पाता था. He had lot of hair all over his body. He could not hold things properly also. With time, his brain became bigger while his jaws shrank. Okay, so eventually he began to resemble modern man who are called Homo sapiens. During this evolution, man underwent many physical and social changes. His lifestyle changed according to his environment. Okay. So we know that early men lived as early as 2 million years ago. These men were nomads. They moved from place to place. But the question is, why did they do so? So the firstly, once the plant and animal resources which they consumed for food were exhausted, the food gatherers would move to different areas. मतलब जहाँ पे वो रहते थे वहाँ पे अगर जो फूड है, मतलब आप सोच लो कि वो एनिमल हो सकता है या कोई प्लांट हो सकता है, वो अगर ख़त्म हो जाए ऑन दैट टाइम दे चेंज देयर place. Many plants and trees bear fruits in the particular season. So early men moved seasonally in search of food. They followed the movement of animals also. So animals moved from place to place in search of their own foods. So hunters had to follow them. Searching for water also forced them to move from one place to another. Now, my dear children, we are going to discuss what is the meaning of the Stone Age. The early man belonged to the prehistoric period of history. In our previous chapter, already we discussed that what is the meaning of prehistoric period. So, the prehistoric age is also known as the Stone Age. Why? Because stone was the only material that was used to make tools. Based on the type and quality of the tool used by the early man, the Stone Age has been further divided into three parts: Paleolithic Age, Mesolithic Age, and Neolithic Age. Paleolithic Age, or we can say the Old Stone Age. The word Paleolithic is derived from two Greek words, paleo meaning old and lithos meaning stone, which means old stone. Okay, so why this age is called Paleolithic Age or Old Stone Age? Because during this period the early men used crude and polished stone tools. So that's why this period is called as the Old Stone Age. The Paleolithic period extended from 2 million years ago to about 12,000 years ago. Dear children, remember the archaeologists further subdivided the Paleolithic period into lower, middle and upper Paleolithic age. Okay, so what kind of tools did early human use in this era? Okay, so the early men used a variety of stone tools. The tools of stone used by early human in the old stone age were crude, rough and unpolished. They were typically made of flint, a stone that chipped easily. Chip mean broken up. Okay, the बहुत जल्दी टूट जाना. Okay, so the tools were made by using either of two techniques, which historians believe might have been popular during this age. So one process is stone to stone technique and another one pressure flicking technique. The common tools used in the Old Stone Age were knives, choppers, axe heads, and digging instrument. So, in the Lower Paleolithic period, tools were called as choppers. Why? Because they were hand axes used for chopping trees and animals, and commonly they have been found in Son River Valley in Punjab and on the banks of River Narmada in Madhya Pradesh. Other hand, the tools of Middle Paleolithic period were mainly scrapers, found mainly in the Son village in Punjab and banks of Narmada in Madhya Pradesh. The tools of the Upper Paleolithic period were mainly blades. They have been found in India in Bhopal in Madhya Pradesh and Chota Nagpur Plateau in Jharkhand. So many Paleolithic tools have been found in India from the sites like Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh, Bhimbetka in Madhya Pradesh, Bhori in Maharashtra and Kunnal in Andhra Pradesh. सो अर्ली ह्यूमंस जो पैलियोलिथिक एज पे रहते थे वो जो टूल्स यूज़ करते थे उसका इम्प्लीकेशन क्या था. सो दिस टूल्स वर यूज्ड फॉर ए वैरायटी ऑफ पर्पस. वो पर्पसेस क्या था? टू कट मीट एंड बोन्स, scrap bark from the trees and animal skins to make clothes, to chop wood, and to make spears and arrows for hunting. So, my dear children, that's the end for today's session. We will meet in our next class with new topics. Till then, bye. Take a very good care of yourself and happy learning.